In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run challenges in Trainerize 2025 step by step. We'll begin by picking the right challenge format. Choose whether you want a workout challenge with a target number of workouts each week, a steps challenge that syncs to wearables, a habit challenge focused on water, meals, or sleep, a weight loss or body metrics challenge, a points and engagement challenge that rewards actions like messages and check-ins, or a hybrid that blends workouts and habits. Your choice determines what you'll track, what you'll program, and how your leaderboard awards points. Next, set up the hub for your community by creating a group. In groups, create a new group, give it a clear, time-bound name, add a banner image for branding, and enable group messaging, the group leaderboard, and announcements. This becomes the home base where participants interact, ask questions, and see updates. Now build the challenge program. Go to Programs, add a custom program, and set the duration, whether that's 7, 14, 21, or 30 days. Add the right mix of workouts, habits, or tasks based on your challenge type. For example, program 3 to 5 workouts per week for a workout challenge, a daily step goal habit for a steps challenge, a daily water habit for hydration, or combine workouts, habits, and check-ins for a hybrid. Schedule everything in the program calendar so participants know exactly what to do each day. Keep difficulty accessible, include clear instructions, and test a day or two yourself to ensure it flows. Assign the program to everyone at once. In clients, tag all challenge participants with a unique tag, then use bulk assign to select that tag, choose the challenge program, and give everyone the same start date. Confirm time zones before you finalize to keep check-ins aligned. Add everyone to the challenge group. Open the group, click Add Members, and select all clients or filter by the tag you created. Now the chat and leaderboard are shared by the entire cohort. Set up tracking and your leaderboard. In the group's leaderboard settings, choose what earns points such as completed workouts, habits, steps, meals logged via connected apps, body metrics, and personal bests. Save your settings. The leaderboard updates daily. Remind participants to sync their wearables and nutrition apps in advance. Optionally, automate daily engagement. In scheduled messages, cue reminders, motivational notes, daily tasks, and check-ins. Short, consistent prompts drive completion. Post a welcome announcement with rules, the start date, how points are earned, prize details, and how to track workouts and habits, then pin it for easy reference. During the challenge, stay active in the group, respond to messages, share tips and updates, and highlight top performers weekly to keep momentum high. When it ends, export the leaderboard, select winners based on your criteria, announce them in the group, and send thank you gifts, discounts, or offers. Optionally, invite participants into a paid program, one-on-one coaching, or your next challenge.